the girlies be gatekeeping on that fall hair color, but not today. I'm gonna show you how to do this color in full detail. So to do this brown fall cinnamon goodness color, so I'm gonna lighten the hair first, and I'm gonna use Clairol's, oh, this is Gray Busters, but anyway, High Lift Neutral Blonde. So, and then I have High Lift Cool Blonde, and then I'm gonna use some bleach as well. To get the brown color, I'm gonna mix Cajun Spice, cinnamon, and sienna brown together, and that's gonna be a rinse. So after I color the hair, I'm gonna wash it, and then I'm gonna put this on as a rinse on top. So I already mixed my color together. Now, if you don't know how to mix hair color, you can also just buy box color that's already that has everything already pre-mixed in it if you don't know how to mix color. And always you can take it to a hairstylist, because I was a hairstylist for about 20 years. So coloring the hair, that's just something you know how to do. So you can also take this to a hairstylist if you don't know how to do it, but it's super simple to do at home. But yeah, you can buy box color to lighten it if you don't know how to, you know, mix hair color and stuff. Read the directions if it make it easier for you. So right now I'm mixing the color together. I got 2 bottles of this blonde already in here, as well as 40 volume developer on this side. So I'm just mixing this together real good, and this is what I'm going to use to lift the hair first. And I'm also going to use this bleach. So I kind of mix both of these together. I kind of put the color on, and then I put the bleach on top, depending on how light I'm trying to get the hair. So it doesn't matter that I'm using the same brush, it's all going the same place, so it doesn't matter. And this is a neutral blonde. Now if I had a different type of color with a different type of base, but since this is neutral, and neutral is like your purples, your blues, your purples, it's really your purple type of base, which is neutral. Just like, you know, if you dye your hair blonde and you put shimmering lights, it has a purple base to neutralize the yellow out of it. So this Clairol color is a neutral base, and this particular bleach is a blue base, so it all goes together. So just color theory, that's all. You see me?
Yeah.
Coloring the hair.
Yeah, coloring my hair.
So I'm gonna color this hair in sections, just like, I don't have it like clipped off in sections, but I'm just kind of coloring in the sections. So I'm starting in the back first, because I think I might want the top a little bit lighter. So this one is with the neutral blonde, so if I run out of hair color, I can use the ultra cool blonde on the top, as well as the bleach more so on the top part. So you can already see this is lightening already, like wow. So once I get to the top, I'm not gonna do the root part just yet, because I'm not sure if I still want dark roots or if I want the roots to be light, but this is already like turning pretty quickly. Well, quicker than I thought. So this hair actually does dye really well. This is a Wiggins wig. I'm gonna leave the link for you if you want to check out the wig. So it's good hair. If it dyes, that means it's good hair. And if it's lifting, just like a regular, like a human head would lift pretty quickly, if it was virgin hair, then that's a good hair wig. I'm almost out of all of my color, so I'm probably going to mix another bottle of color to kind of do the roots up here. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just do the roots up here. I'm gonna try not to get like all the way on the roots, because I still want like a little bit of like darkness on it. So that's the roots. I'm gonna just go through, make sure everything is just kind of colored good. Make sure the roots is good. So if it gets parted, it's not all janky looking. See, look, I had a whole gap right there. So make sure you go and color the roots. So in the front, I think I'm going to put some of the bleach on here, just a little bit to kind of, I don't know, give it a little extra boost. Give it like a little bit more of that light brown right on the front. I usually will like bleach more of the top depending on what colors I'm trying to do. If I want the top to be like a little bit more lighter, I usually will bleach it. I think I'm gonna just put it on most of the top because I want it to be like a little bit more highlighted up here. So I'll just go in and do that. Then I'm like, all right, I want this to hurry up because this is already like kind of brown and black. So I'll go in and put some of the rest of the bleach that I have on it just to speed up the process. I'm gonna put some foil around it and then I'm gonna put a plastic bag on there. The foil just helps the process faster. So I'm gonna put this on the roots, and then I'm gonna mix these two together. For it to be on the root, I'm gonna go ahead, put it in here. So this is turned already. This is giving the vibes I wanted to give. This is the color that I normally wear, like this. Like this is my normal color right here. All right, so I'm gonna rinse this out. It's like a honey blonde right now, and we're doing the brown, so it should be all right. I'm not sure what happened to the video, but after you put your hair color in, you want to rinse it out really good, shampoo it, and then while it's wet, you want to go ahead and put your rinses on, your semi-permanent hair color on. Let that sit on. I'm putting a plastic bag on there, and I'm putting it back under my little hair dryer thing. Let that sit on there for about 30 minutes, rinse it out, and wash it really, really good. Really wash it good. This is the wig. I had to curl the back because it's just easier. But this is what it's looking like. It's really cute. It's giving that fall vibe, right? It's kind of giving like highlights a little bit in the front because I kind of highlighted when you saw me do that bleach color. I kind of highlighted it a little bit. So I didn't color the top. I mean, not color. I didn't do the top, put the top on yet, cause I still have to like glue it down and all of that extra stuff. Not glue it down. I don't use glue. I use Bold Hold, and that is a gel. And so with this wig, I gotta use the gel. Ooh, this is gonna be cute. See, all the girlies, they be gatekeeping this brown color. Like, I had to figure it out. I had to do it one time for a little thing so y'all could see how it is. I'm gonna use that Bold Hold to lay the little front part down. Just right here on the top, I do, because this is a closure wig. So this is a Wiggins wig. I'm gonna leave the links for y'all in the description box so you can see the wig. I colored this wig. You know, sometimes like when you get wigs from these wig companies, like they do not color good. And this one colored really well. So I know this is some good hair. So if you're looking for a wig that's good for coloring, this Wiggins wig might be it for you. So look at that melt. That's what I like about this Bold Hold, is that it's gel. And so when I'm done with it at night, all I gotta do is put a little bit of water on it, and that's it. And this thing is coming right off. I just do the top because it's a closure wig, and I think I put like a little bit of baby hairs right here on the side. So I'm just kind of like laying this in the right formation, and then I'm gonna put the blow dryer on it so that I just know what I'm doing. That's cool right there. I ain't even about to take the comb off. So that blow dry real easy, right? Like, that's literally it with that blow dry. So I'm about to put this little stuff on here. I used to always wonder why people did this. Like, I was like, this is so pointless. Like, why would you put foam on the top of your head and then put a hot comb to it? But I so get it now. It literally, because sometimes the way that these things are made, like, they're made in one specific direction, and so it has to be like a little bit wet in order for it to lay correctly. So I get it now. I get it, girls. I get it. But being like a cosmetologist is like, that was almost like redundant to do. It's like, it was stupid. I love this bowl hold because it really make it look like it's coming out of my scalp. Like, and in order for it to look like it's coming out of your scalp for real, you have to have that HD lace, and this wig has HD lace. So that's really like, if your lace is not like blending into your scalp like this, then you don't have that HD lace. You need to get a wig with HD lace. Now I could put a strip thing on here and lay it down and all that. I don't know if I feel like doing it. Do I want to do it? I think I'm gonna do it and flatter. When you put the little strip, make it lay down a little bit. So I use edge control on my edges. I know some people don't, but that's kind of like how I can do them. Like, I can't do it with no foam and all of that. It just doesn't work for me. So with this wig, it came with no edges, so you ain't gotta do no edges on it if you don't want. I just put a little bit, just cause sometimes, like, I don't like the way it make my forehead look when I don't have nothing. All right, y'all, look at that. Like, look at that. So let me put this little band thing on. I hate putting this thing on because I feel like I'll never put it on right. All right, so I didn't curl the front, so I'm gonna just curl the front real quick. So I'm gonna use these big barrel curling irons to curl. These are FHI. I've had these for a long time. I can put these in the description box as well. I've had these for years. I mean, years. And look, it just gets the job done. And so I'm curling it like this to the front for a reason. So I could do like the little, you know, hair back flowy joint. That's cute. When you put the curlers on and stuff, it literally like changes the color of the hair a little bit. Cause this hair was looking bright, wasn't it? All right, I got it all curled. Put a little makeup in the middle of the part. One thing about when you color hair is that you have to make sure that you wash it really, really well. Because if not, it will be sticky. I had to go back and like rewash this again because it was kind of sticky. So when it's like a little sticky, it might be a little bit harder to like get through. So this is it, y'all. What y'all think? Is it cute? Little fall color. I think it's cute. What y'all think? It's cute. Wanted to do this because sometimes the girlies be gatekeeping the color, so you can mix the colors, interchange them. I probably would have put more sienna brown in there and I have it as red on the top, but the red may remind me of like the leaves and stuff like that. So that's pretty much that. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna leave the links in the description. What links do I got? I'm gonna put the color in my storefront, so you can find the color in my storefront. And I'm gonna put the links in the box for the wig if you want to get the wig. And that's it. Hope y'all like it. All right, see y'all later.